Everyone, welcome to my channel. We have to solve this easy algebra problem, that is x square minus 5 equal to, and we have to find the value of x. So the options are 2, 3, 1 or none. If you find out already, comment down below your answer. If you haven't, let's check. So we have given x square minus 5 under square root equal to. Now if we do squaring both sides, with the help of the square root removes. So x square minus 5 equal 2 square. X square minus 5 equal 2 square is 4. X square equal 4 plus 5. So x square equal 9. So we can write this 9 as 3 square. Now on compare both sides, what is the value of x? 3, which is option number B. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.